Young voters and minority groups are becoming increasingly influential in shaping elections. Gen Z and millennials are pushing for progressive policies on climate change, gun control, and social justice. Meanwhile, Latino and Asian American voters are emerging as critical swing demographics, with both parties vying for their support through targeted outreach and policy proposals. Amid these developments, concerns about the future of American democracy persist. Issues like gerrymandering, voting rights, and the spread of disinformation have raised alarms about the health of democratic institutions. Efforts to address these concerns include federal legislation to protect voting rights. Bipartisan initiatives to combat political extremism. Grassroots campaigns advocating for electoral reforms like ranked choice voting. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has been the defining story of the decade. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are leading the charge, with AI technologies reshaping industries. From healthcare to manufacturing. Key innovations. Generative AI, tools like Chat and DALL-E have brought AI into everyday use, enabling content creation, customer service, and even coding assistance. Healthcare AI is accelerating drug discovery, improving diagnostics, and personalizing treatments. For instance, AI-driven cancer detection tools are reducing misdiagnosis rates. Autonomous systems, self-driving cars, drones, and robotics are becoming more sophisticated, with companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Boston Dynamics leading the way. Ethical concerns, issues like bias in AI algorithms, privacy violations, and job displacement are fueling debates about regulation and oversight. Global competition. The U.S. faces fierce competition from China, which has invested heavily in AI research and applications. Quantum computing, once a theoretical concept, is becoming a reality. Companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti Computing are racing to achieve quantum supremacy, solving problems that classical computers can't. Applications, cryptography, quantum computing could render current encryption methods obsolete, prompting a shift to quantum-resistant cryptography. Material science, quantum models are enabling breakthroughs in battery technology and material design. Financial modeling, banks and financial institutions are exploring quantum algorithms for risk assessment and portfolio optimization. Barriers, technical hurdles, scaling quantum systems and reducing error rates remain significant challenges. Cost, quantum computing requires massive investments, making it accessible to only a few players. The U.S. is entering a new era of space exploration, driven by NASA and private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab. Major milestones. Artemis program. NASA's Artemis missions aim to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence as a stepping stone to Mars. Commercial space flights. Space tourism is no longer science fiction, with companies offering suborbital trips for wealthy adventurers. Satellite expansion. Low Earth orbit, LEO, satellite constellations, such as SpaceX Starlink, are revolutionizing global internet connectivity. Semiconductors are the